Take a ride in the 2020 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, chrome package, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated seats, Bluetooth, technology package, adaptive cruise control, power sliding rear window, SIRIUS satellite radio, remote start, security system, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.